Welcome to Brabus. Congratulations, this is your Brabus 900 XLP, one of only 10 ever built.
It is perfect.
Welcome. Go ahead and pull into the first bay right here.
Position confirmed on the marks. Engaging the lift sequence now.
Seat removal and battery disconnect are complete. Noted. Interior is prepped.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The sequence requires careful attention to the bushings.
Agreed. We are ready for suspension removal.
One, two, three.
All clear. Up a little. Stop. Rotate left.
.00 millimeters.
The reading at the top is 94.502, midpoint 94.500. Looks good, well within tolerance.
Final torque check on the passenger side.
Bore scope view confirms alignment.
Recording the values now. We are complete.
The new Brabus Turbo dwarfs the stock unit. This upgrade alone boosts output from 585 horsepower to a staggering 800.
Clamps are torqued to spec, and the oil lines are secure. We are fully dressed.
Down a little. Left. More. Stop.
hold it steady right there.
Okay, drilling the next one now.
How is the coverage on the edges? Solid. We are good to go for the base coat.
Looks perfect.
Keep it straight, alignment looks good.
Brakes engaged. Lock it down.
Strap secured, fan is on, ready for the pull.
$10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees. Looks great.
Welcome to Brabus. Your 900 XLP awaits. One of only 10 ever built is ready for you. This is incredible. It is even more beautiful than I imagined.
These are custom Brabus units producing 2 bar of boost, and the engine makes 801 horsepower as verified on our dyno.
This is the greatest day of my life.
Congratulations and thank you for choosing Brabus. It has been an honor to build this vehicle for you.
Left a little, stop right there.
Thank you. This is incredible.
On behalf of everyone at Brabus, we welcome you to the family. Now, would you like to see your vehicle?
Congratulations. Enjoy every mile. Thank you, Brabus.
Farewell, and enjoy the open road in your new masterpiece.